Alright, what's going on everybody? We just got one of our first mods for a Big Bertha out there, but it's not actually going to be on the truck. It's going to be the little simple key fob casing replacement. I just like this, the way this one looks. For $30 I thought it would be a little bit more tougher, but it's pretty thick plastic and it doesn't come with the buttons as well. So let's see if we can try and get this installed. Kind of a little tutorial guide on how I did it. So we're just gonna pop this open and get everything out from that. Just use a little quick flathead and we're gonna pop out the whole casing. I don't know if I didn't tell y'all, but it didn't come with buttons either, so I don't know if that's a deal breaker for anybody. There we go. Let's get this. And hold on. I think I might have did that upside down just now. No, I think we're good. So it clicked into place, and they do give you well, that's because I didn't screw it in, but they do give me 4 screws to tie this down with, and a little tool to put it in. So let's go ahead and get those bolted in, I guess you would say. So 1, 2, oh. 3 and 4. There's 1. One just popped out. That's okay, we'll just throw it back in. And by the way, this little case was only about $30. And it have a few quite different colors. I just went with gray because I just plan on keeping the truck gray. Sorry if y'all couldn't see that. Put it up in the camera to see if y'all can see what it looks like more. And there we go. See if it still works. Yep, everything seems to be in working order. There we go. Alright guys, so outside just to show y'all that it works so far. Walking up to the truck because I parked outside the street. Alright, here we go. Here's the truck. Here's the little new key fob. Still works. Lock and unlock. Looks pretty good. Then get the window roll down. So yeah, everything's still good. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the video, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Until the next mod, stay tuned. Alright guys.